Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by creating a safety net. Copy your saves and resource packs, because once you change versions, you may overwrite data. Next, confirm the launcher and Java are current, since mismatches cause outdated client errors. Then open the launcher and note the exact version number you tried to join. This gives you a target. Once done, switch to a new profile so you won't touch your main setup, and keep a simple log of changes so you can reverse them if needed. Now you resolve the core mismatch. Set a new profile to the server's exact version and download that version from the launcher. This is how you match client and server. If you use mods, remove any that don't list compatibility with that version, or install the correct Fabric or Forge loader that the mods require. Make sure JVM args are sensible and allocate 4 GB RAM when needed, because memory problems mimic outdated client symptoms. This step aligns game code and mod loaders so they can communicate cleanly. Finish by launching the newly configured profile and joining the server. Walk through common areas where errors occurred. If textures or libraries fail, clear the launcher cache and let assets redownload, because stale files often cause conflicts. If you still see outdated client errors, create a completely fresh profile with no mods and test. This isolates the problem. One key troubleshooting tip: check the game log for version or mod class name errors, and then reinstall Java or the launcher when log entries point to corrupted runtime.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.